In previous video, we covered the importance of this industry sector and material type, and what are the controlling functions they will do this both the fields. Now today we will move to configuration. First configuration I am going to cover today is this material number. That is only I am covering in this video. Yes, only I am covering this format of a material number. So what do you mean by the format? See, whenever you create a material master, the number range which generated looks like something like this. See, it's a material number is about 550, 55. See, it looks like this thing. Just I will show you here. See, now I am considering one example, industry sector as mechanical, and RH I am taking. See, system generated this number. Automatically system generated this number. This is, we call it as a format. So now the running number is this thing, 5 something 25 is there. So this is the format. Now in this video we are only focusing about the format. We are not discussing about internal number range, external number range. That we will discuss in material type configuration. So in this video I will discuss only about format, how the material number looks like, how you want to be. So to do this configuration, we have this. So I will directly move to configuration. The first configuration in material master I am going to do is format, output format of a material number. See, go to logistics general. Here come to material master. In basic settings we have define output format of material numbers. See, now our material number length is 16. So here you can give the material number length. So in ECC system the maximum unload length is 18 digit only. So now in S4 HANA and all those things it has moved to around 42 digits allowed now. So in this is the ECC system. So maximum allowed length of a material number is 18. So in our case, see, first scenario we will look into first scenario. So in this scenario the material number length is 16. So nothing, these two checkboxes are unticked and there is no template for it, material number template assigned. So in this case the material number generated looks like this thing. Here we are seeing, right? See, this is the first scenario. So in these settings here we have given only in length of a material number. See, length of a material number is 16. What it means is, so maximum allowed length is 16. 16 digit. Suppose you have given number range from 1 to 10,000. It is a number range within this number range only, within this material length, right? This number length of a number is not 16 digit here. So you can give whatever you want, but within 16 digit it should be. So this is the meaning of the length of a material number length. So now when it starts from 1, so whatever the material you create, it will start with 1 and moves on to 2, 3, 4 like that. So it is in this scenario, it is showing only whatever the number it is running, that exact number it is showing. So in next scenario I will talk about. So consider 16 number only, material number length is 16 digit. So now I will add leading zeros. I am saving this configuration. So now you come to this material number again. So for your reference I will copy this material number in first scenario. Now we have added leading zeros to number. So again I will go to mm01. Again I will create material number for material for this settings only. See, now I will execute this thing. Now you can see the difference. So whatever the number is running, before it adds zeros. So this is the second case, leading zeros. See, the same number is next running number is 25, after it is 26, but in output format we have made settings, so it is adding leading zeros as per our settings, right? See here, leading zeros, right? We have one more thing called lexicographical. So it is the reverse of leading zeros. So I cannot execute this thing. Actually, this lexicographical settings I cannot execute, because whatever the number we have already used, that will get affected because of this lexicographical. So if we had already maintained master datas by using the other format, so we are not allowed to use this settings. So see, I'll show it here. Whenever I go to save this thing, see, it is giving error. So numerical material number already exists in the system. So why it is showing this error means, see, lexicographic means, so leading zeros is with this thing, right? Next thing we have lexicographical. Lexicographical, right? See, if I suppose we don't have any, this is a new fresh system, we didn't use any material number and the material number ranges and all those things. If we execute these settings, how it will look? So this is how it will look. So now our next number will be 27 in the end, right? See, 26. Now next number will be 27, and whatever the zeros were behind this thing in leading zeros, so it will come here. So this is how it will look. It adds zeros after the whatever the number it is taking, it will add zeros in front of existing number. So if you want this type of number range also you can maintain, but there should be no data in any tables related to material number. So why it is not allowing? Suppose I am having this setting, initial setting as this thing. So 25. See, control V I will say this 25, whatever the 5 lakhs something 20 lakh 5 it is number, it is there, no, it falls under some range. Suppose some this range might be, I will consider this thing, control C, here I will paste it, control V. So this to suppose 5 lakh to 6 lakh, I am considering lakhs, so I cannot spell this thing actually, I might go wrong. So 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs, it will fall under this range. So you already created a material number which it has taken 25, 5 lakhs 25. So if you change this setting, so now so there is not an issue if you add leading zeros. So leading zeros means it will not change the meaning of this number range. Whatever the number we add behind, no, it will not make a difference. But in lexicographic, what will happen if you add leading zeros? See, suppose it is like 6 lakhs to 6 crore is a number range. So it is 5 digit, one more digit is added to this thing. Control C, control C. Yeah, here I have explained, no? It will fall under this number range only, but it will disturb the entire number range. So that's why it is not allowed in the middle. So what if you want to decide to go with this lexicographical format, you should do it in the initial setting when you are making initial settings. So this is clear now. We now understood this thing, lexicographical leading zeros, and this is the number length of a material number. So you can change according to your interest. You can so it is not like your interest, whatever the customer the requirement will be there for customer, you should follow those requirement and should configure that one. Now we have material number template. So you might have seen number ranges like this, numbers like this. See, suppose it is a 10 digit number, I will consider now 10 digit number, I will make it as 10 digit number. One, 2, 3 slash 3 slash. So this is also one format. Again same number only you can write in this format also. So you might be having some different meaning to this thing. This starting 3 digit may represent something. This thing may represent something. Yeah, if you want number range in this format, you can use this template here. So by this template we can achieve that goal actually. So now I am making material number length as 10. So total length of a material number is 10. So length I am taking as length 10, maximum is 10. So here we have some rule here. If you want to, whatever the number you are entering, that number you should represent in underscore. See, it is a 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, right? So if you want in between this hyphen, so it is 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8, 9, 10. See, this is the format I am adding here. So wherever underscore is there, it will take these numbers, our input numbers, and it will keep this hyphen as it is. So I will show you the example with the example. So I will take this format only. See, now I am saving this thing. So I am not using any leading zeros lexicographical. I will save this settings. Now if I come again and create material number, create one new material, how you should understand the difference. See, again I will just take one view. See, this is the difference. Now our next number in the number range is 27, 5,27,000. So we are not using lexicographical. Now according to this template, that number range is displaying like this. See, so this is the template, and if you make one more setting also, you can check with adding leading zeros also. Again what I will do is, I will increase the length of material number, and add leading zeros, and add some more hyphen or some other template. See, and now I am making it as 16, right. Now I have another 5 digit left. I used 10 digit previously, so it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I will use this leading zeros setting. Now you can observe the changes. See, 28, 5,28,000 is our next number range. It is adding leading zero, and also it is using our template, whatever the template we have given. Okay, now this is the, I think I have covered almost all the details of this format. So we will get one more requirement. So sometimes customer will come with their own requirement. They want alphanumeric character, alphanumeric number range like this. Alphanumeric. See, they want to denote their material number depending upon the material type, right? So they want number range something like this, raw and hyphen, suppose their plant name, number, or then the number range. So that case what will happen, this raw will be constant and this number will take automatically as per number range defined. So in that case we don't have this assessing for standard system. So we need to, in that case we need to go for enhancement. In enhancement the ABAP people will do coding and make these settings, so then they can achieve this thing. So these are the main possibilities in case of number range format. material number display options. See, these are the possibilities. So now we have covered the format of a material number. So this we have covered. Next we will go for material type configuration. There we will see where there again we will come up with this concept where will be assigning number ranges, internal external number, and actually we are defining this number interval there. So this is the only format how the output format of your material number. So we'll see in next video.